Great post, Krisha. One of I guess the three main things that I took away from your video were the tips. I know when I'm looking and reading posts online, especially Facebook, reading a post, sometimes you tend to just respond with the first thing that comes to mind, and that may not always be the politically correct thing to say or the right response. I think that the tip number two, reading the post again later, maybe you were having a bad day, you were in a bad mood, or maybe that post really hit home to you. I think that timing and how you react to posts definitely could cause conflict. And to me personally, the biggest thing is choosing whether or not to respond. So I have a colleague that I used to work with that she was always posting in really racial things online, and a lot of other colleagues of mine either unfriended her on Facebook or unfollowed her. And one night, I may or may not have had a few adult beverages, but I saw one of her posts and I commented on it, which I shouldn't have. But the next day she asked me about it, and I could definitely tell that she was upset of my response. But in my opinion, I stated the clear facts of the situation, that she was wrong. But she thinks that because it's on Facebook, it means it's right. So I guess the moral of the story is I shouldn't have responded, but a lot of people post stuff on social media that is not correct, or fake news, or whatever you want to call it. But looking back on it, I just wish I never would have responded. So a lot of times, any advice that I could give to somebody is, if you see something that you don't like, just unfollow that person. Unfollow them for 30 days or unfollow them forever. But sometimes it's a lot better to not respond at all. Thanks.